Well, good morning, friends. Today we're going to be decorating our dining room, formal dining room, as well as family room for winter. This is after Christmas decorating, so I am working with a clean slate. If you have not seen my undecorate and deep clean video, I will link it up in the corner and in the description box for you to check out how I prepped my home for this decorating. So here I want to keep it nice and fresh and airy, just like I did in my front foyer and my living room, which I posted a couple days ago as well. I will link that as well if you want to see. And so let's get into decorating. This tablecloth is a brand new purchase. I have shared a haul over on my vlogging channel where I shared all the items I had picked up for my new winter decorating. I love how this looks. I think it looks gives this room a very cozy feeling. Like I said, I just love the way this table runner looks. And then I'm going to be adding this tray that was a thrifted tray. I picked that up before Christmas. And for the winter element, I am adding some of the greenery that I had cut up in my garden. I have used some of it already in the foyer, so I'm just continuing that, tying it all together. I love how simple this arrangement turned out. I wish I had my third candle in that birch, wrapped in that birch, but one of my dogs ate it, believe it or not. They didn't actually eat it, they chewed it into a gazillion pieces. I don't think they actually ingested anything. Now moving on to my hutch, and I'm just keeping this very simple for this season and just adding a little bit of greenery to the top. Now it's time to move on to my sideboard. This is typically where I do my hot cocoa station for fall and winter and Christmas months. But this time around, I'm just going to keep it very simple and add some greenery and some candles and just a little bit of decor. I like to use lots of different textures, so from stone to wood to natural elements. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. My name is Sonja, and on this channel I do lots of decorate with me's as well as some cleaning and organization. So if this is something that interests you, I would love it if you considered subscribing, pressing that notification bell so you don't miss out any of my future uploads. I still have several videos left for winter decorating before we get into some spring cleaning. So make sure that notification bell is on and so you don't miss out any of these videos that are coming your way. And if you're a returning subscriber, as I appreciate you so much for your continuing support. With a lot of my decorating is kind of a trial and error. I play around with it until I achieve the look that sits well with me and that I like the way it looks. I think this room turned out so nice, exactly what I was looking for. Very simple, but very cozy and elegant. And now we are moving on to my family room, and we're going to start with this fireplace where I'm adding my brand new wreath that I absolutely love, and I think it looks absolutely stunning in this room, and it again ties all the greenery throughout the house together. as you saw, I just added some of that same greenery in here, and I'm just adjusting it so it shows when you're looking at the fireplace. So what do you guys think? I think this fireplace turned out so good. I am obsessed with the way it looks. I am really enjoying having these couple extra shelves in this wall unit to decorate. I added this wall unit at the beginning of last year. It was new to me. It's not a new wall unit. I had actually got it off a friend who moved in, and previous owners had left it there, and she did not have any use for it. So I took it from her. I redid it, which I have a video over on my DIY channel if you want to see how I had upcycled this piece of furniture. And like I said, I have been enjoying having these a few extra shelves to add some decor to. And because it's winter time and I live in Ontario, Canada, it is quite cold here, so I always like to have some sort of a basket with some flowers. So I'm using this really pretty basket that I had received, and I will link it down in the description box. It has been serving me so well. I have been using it in different areas of my home, even outside, with these blankets in it, just so we can cozy up with them and have them on hand. this concludes my decorate with me for these two rooms, and I would love to know what you guys think. Like I said, I think my favorite is definitely this fireplace, but I love everything else in it. I love how cozy both of these rooms feel. So thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. If you love it, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, leave me a comment down below letting me know what was your favorite, if you had enjoyed it, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.